Emma felt nervous on her first day at a new school in America. She held her backpack tightly and looked around the busy classroom. Many children were talking and laughing together. Emma took a deep breath and remembered her mom's advice. Smile and say hello. She walked to a girl with curly hair who was drawing a rainbow. Hi, I'm Emma. I like your picture, she said kindly. Thanks, I'm Sophia, the girl replied with a big smile. Soon, another boy named Jake joined them. He loved soccer and funny jokes. Emma told them about her favorite books and her cute puppy at home. The three children laughed together during lunch. Later, the teacher asked everyone to work in teams for a fun science project. Emma shared crayons, listened carefully, and helped her new classmates. By the end of the day, many children were smiling at her. When the school bell rang, Emma no longer felt lonely. She learned that making friends was simple. A smile, kind words, and being helpful could turn strangers into wonderful friends on the very first day of school.